Hey guys, welcome to my channel. So today I created this makeup right here from Dixie D'amelio and Wiz Khalifa's new music video called One Day, I believe. So my makeup was actually super beautiful in that video. She had a very glossy eye, matte lips, little cheeks. I obviously look nothing like her, but it's really fun to recreate people's makeup. And if you guys want me to recreate her pink eye makeup that she had in that video, please let me know down below because I love pink eye makeup. It's just I've done so many looks on my channel before. I was so tempted to do it this time, but I was like, alright, calm down, Marjorie. So I went ahead and created this look, and if you want to learn how I got it, then please keep watching. Alrighty, so I'm starting out with just some foundation on. It's not the best match and I look a little bit crazy right now, but it's okay because in a second that will all be fixed. So what I'm going to first do is I'm going to go ahead and bronze my face. I'm going to take my NARS Laguna bronzer and I'm just going to kind of bronze all over. She seemed like she kind of has that basic like 3E look where it's like the forehead, the cheekbones, and the jaw. Alright, and then I'm going to bring it down my nose a little bit and on my eyelids and just drag it out to that temple. And that is it for bronzer. So now we're going to go ahead and start in on the eyes. I'm going to move in a little bit closer so I can show you guys. Alright, so now I'm going to take that same bronzer and I'm going to go ahead and put it in my crease. So I'm just creating like a little shape like this with this bronzer, and I'm gonna really kind of smudge that out just like that, and this is just the base of our eyeshadow. Alrighty, so now that that is on, I'm gonna go ahead with my James Charles palette and I'm gonna take this shade right here and I'm gonna mix it with this one a little and I'm gonna apply it kind of all over the eye. Alright, so just like that, and then I'm going to take a little flat shader brush, oops, and I'm going to take this darker brown right here, just above the black, and I'm going to smudge that along my lash line. I'm sorry, my nephew is crying. Alright, and now whatever's left, I'm going to go ahead and drag on my lower lash line just as close to the lashes as possible. Alrighty, and I still have some powder underneath my eye, so I'm just going to go ahead and wipe that off. Alrighty, so now I feel like I just need to do my eyebrows because it's bothering me how light they look, because after I put foundation on my face, my eyebrows become lighter because the foundation gets into my eyebrows. I'm just brushing them through, and I'm going to go ahead and just do them how I normally do them. So I'm looking at her photo now. Her eyebrows are actually very, very straight. So I'm going to kind of straighten out my eyebrows a little bit. Just like create a top line right here. And just hope that that did something. And then something else that I noticed is she does have a little bit more of a defined nose than I have. I'm just going a little bit with some bronzer just along my nose. And I'm going to kind of get rid of that rounded tip that I have to make it more like that. And I'm going to go ahead and make that lower lash line a bit darker using one of those darker browns. Just bring it all along the lower lash line. She's really giving like Dua Lipa vibes in this video. So I think I'm gonna bronze just a bit more. Alright, and then I'm going to contour my lips. Now in this video, her lips look a lot bigger than they normally do. So I'm going to go ahead and contour my lips to give myself some big lips. Alright, and now I'm going to go ahead and go with, where is it? My MAC Strip Down Lip Liner. Where is it? And I'm going to just go ahead and line my lips. Just like that. And I'm just going to leave it like that for a little bit while I go ahead and put on highlighter. I should put on highlighter. Yes. I have not put on highlighter since like last year, so this is interesting. So I'm going with my Dose of Color Desi X Katie highlighter, and I'm going to go ahead and apply that all along my cheeks. She kind of looks like she just kind of is overall sweating, so I'm doing that, and then I'm going to apply some in my inner corner as well. Just like that. Okay, so now that all of that is done, I'm going to finish up with the lips, and then we'll go ahead and apply the gloss on my eyeballs. So for lips, I'm going to go ahead and take, I already had the MAC Strip Down lip liner on. Now I'm going to take the NYX lip liner in the shade Sandstorm. And I'm just going to kind of go over that. And then I'm going to take the lipstick in the shade Taupe, the MAC lipstick in the shade Taupe. And I'm going to put that all over my lips, just dabbing. Just like that. And then what I'm going to do, because her lips are kind of orangey-ish, like rusty, is I'm going to take this rust shade right here on a big fluffy brush, and I'm going to dab over my lips with that. And I'm going to leave it like that for now. I feel like it's a little bit dark, but I'm going to leave it like that for now while I go ahead and start applying the gloss on my lids. So I'm going to use this Morphe 2 Eye Pop Face and Eye Gloss, which is from her collection with her sister. So it's kind of cool. So I'm just applying it onto my lid first, just a little dollop like that, like so. And then I'm going to go ahead and take my finger and dab it out. So this is it, just without mascara and lashes. I'm going to go ahead and pop on a pair of lashes and some mascara, and then I'll be back to do some finishing touches. Alrighty, so lashes are on. I think I'm going to lighten up the lips a little bit. So I'm going to take my Translucent Powder by Laura Mercier, and I'm going to go ahead and dab that on my lips. That's a lot more the shade that I'm looking for. I'm going to take some, first I'm going to go ahead and grab that same eyebrow pencil, and I'm going to create some fake freckles. She has freckles, and she has like kind of like that tan look. Not tan, how do I explain it? Like she gets sun up in that area. I definitely haven't seen sunlight in like a while, so don't have that look. So I'm just applying some fake freckles all over, and then I'm going to go over with like a little bit of bronzer and blush over those areas. Alright, so now I'm just going to go over that area with a little bit of my bronzer, my NARS bronzer. just like a little ching ching, a little bit. Just right across the nose right there. And then on the sides. And then up along where we put the highlight. Alrighty, so this is the completed look. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video, and if you did, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel and give me a thumbs up. And we're almost at 1K, and remember, when I do hit 1K, I'm going to be having an amazing, beautiful, and big giveaway with 2 winners, so you guys have a better chance of winning. So subscribe to my channel so you are ready for that giveaway, and I will see you in my next video.